Hello everybody and welcome to a new series on the PixelPack YouTube channel. Sorry that there hasn't been many videos recently because it's been Christmas and we're all busy and no one's really in the mood for recording. So today I'm on a Realms server, Minecraft Realms, with a person called Regit. If you haven't seen his YouTube channel, you should go check it out. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I can't see you, Regit. Yeah, you know you got the girl skin on.
I know, default skin. I still don't know how to change skin.
Okay, yes, you should check out his channel in the description box below. That's if I remember, of course. If not, you might be able to search it, or just remind me.
My channel is that successful.
Okay.
21 subscribers, I believe.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're making Deathrun. Let me turn down the game sounds. We're making Deathrun, a game that's on the Hive, which you can see some footage of on Regit's channel.
I'm addicted to Deathrun. Yeah.
Yeah, and we're gonna be making it in vanilla Minecraft. These are the signs. So this is what we've done. We've made the Deathrun style player holding cells for the runners and the deaths. And yeah, and there'll be a title thing, which we're going to do. So what we've done so far, do you want to demonstrate?
I will demonstrate for you.
So let me reset the system. We've got these command blocks here. So I'll show you what it does, and then we'll do it.
Right.
So scoreboard, players, set, Regit, player num. Let's say number 9. So there you go. Now,
I'm stuck in here.
Stuck.
I can't get out. I'm moving.
I'll demonstrate if I become number 10 quickly. I'll demonstrate what it looks like. So you can't actually move out.
We can try.
You can't move out. It is a bit buggy at sometimes when you move your head about, but it's running this command every like 10th of a second. So if I reset myself, reset. Yeah, so this is what happens, and then you see that glass wall there. Well,
fall down.
That happens.
Look at that.
And he's able to run away. If you want to watch that animation again, just to watch it, it's amazing. Oh, took so long that did.
This is just deliberate server lag. It's unfair.
Yeah. So this is done with these command blocks here, and this hasn't actually reset itself. 1 minute, there you go. So what happens? First of all, you've got this fill clock here, which is activating every 20 times a second, and what it's doing is TPing everyone with the player number scores to each podium. And then over here we have the summon. So all of these command blocks here summon the falling sand to make the wall fall down, the 2 walls. And then this over here is to fill in some places, because if you look closely, if you press the button over there.
Which button?
Oh wait, that button, the right one.
This one here?
Yeah, wait, don't do it yet because I need to reset you. There you go. Yeah, press yeah, the one on the right. Yeah, do that. As you can see, if you do that one more time, pressure plates to spawn so the sand gets destroyed, and then yeah, they're destroyed again.
If you don't know what falling sand is, it's basically a brilliant tool within the game. You can do /summon falling sand, so it's capital F, capital S, isn't it? And they're both together.
Yeah.
So /summon falling sand, and then you do a weird curvy bracket. Don't know what that's actually called.
Yeah.
And then you put capital T tile :ID. No, tile ID : and then you put a number for the block you want it to be.
Yeah. And
then you can mask all sorts of things. So if anyone's seen Mumbo Jumbo's 20 more doors in whatever it was, 100 seconds, his final door, which looked like it was 4 quartz blocks, was falling sand entities being spawned by a very fast clock like the one we have here, so that they look like solid blocks but you can just walk straight through.
Yep, and some people called what their names? Oh, I've forgotten something. Came up with that idea. Their names are it was a group of people, and they had a really awesome channel which did like lots of cinematic stuff. I've been subscribed for quite a long time personally. I can't remember. I can't remember. So what we're gonna do here, we're doing the lobby. So as you can see, you've got all 10 player slots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you've got 11, 12, and 13. Now each one of these will have a sign, yeah, and the sign will be right clickable. So this is the command we'll use, conveniently typed out already, in this lovely command block over here. It'll be running on a super fast clock again like this, which will go sideways to X, and I'll show you how this is done right now. I wasn't gonna really do it on camera, but as I'm here right now, we'll do it anyway. So this is what the lobby's gonna look like. I'm also teaching Regit here, so he doesn't know what I'm doing.
No,
so if I go like this, and I want to go, instead of -7 there and -1, I want to go -7 on the X and -1 there. I assume that I'm facing negative X there. Yes, I am. So hopefully if I power this redstone block here, it should, oh, what have I done? -7's not, oh yeah, it's not, is that? -7. I've got a new keyboard now, so you shouldn't be able to hear my my keyboard sounds, which is cool. I don't want the -1 on the Y there. No, I want the
-1 is not a number.
Is it not?
No, it's not a number. It's a negative number. Dun dun dun. Okay. Let's see what's in here.
No, not air. Stone.
Say.
Stone like that. And this is now running a super fast clock, which once again I have messed up. Don't want that there. We can now remove these out of the way. That's running fast like that, and we can make this 15 for the sake of it. We can make this also 15.
Damn, this could be a game within itself.
What?
Try and destroy the redstone blocks.
You can't. Yeah, so I'm gonna move this over just a few because it needs to be. So watch this. It's gonna be quite an interesting episode, I think, or quite an interesting series, because you know, if you do command and then pick block, you can copy a command block with its, well, you know this already, but you can copy a command block with its MBT data.
So pick block does /clone essentially.
Well, it clones the item, so you get the item with all of the information in it, like that.
So you get a sword with certain durability, for example.
Yeah, or certain enchantments.
Very useful.
There you go, that's that done. Maybe a bit far away. So this is what we're going to be doing. There's a little redstone contraption here for the signs.
Oh.
And
I'm in the block.
Oh, what have I done? Ah, placed down the wrong command block. Now the only problem is, because I've copied the MBT data, the command block I just placed down had the command in it already. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. We're going to test for any players with the score. So one of them's going to be player 1, and then if it has, then the sign asking them to join is going to be changed. So yeah, I'll do that, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. We're back, and this is what we've done now. Tons of stuff. It's incredible. Yeah, so here's our new lobby, and the lobby is, oh, there's no hole to get into the lobby.
Oh no, should I create one for you?
Make a big hole. Yeah, right, there you go.
As you wish.
So we need to now
set this lobby has
this
been made by me because I'm amazing, and these signs have been very helpfully created by Dan using an amazing command block trick, which I have no idea what it is. What is it?
Block data.
Block data.
So
yes.
You can change the data.
So the block data being what's on the signs, for example.
Yeah. And you can also create clickable functions like this here.
So if I click on runner 1, I'll be transported to the runner 1 slot.
And as you can see, that runner 1 is unavailable and you can't actually join. And you see Regit's over there right now.
I'm stuck.
He can't get out, so I'll just let him get out quickly just by resetting his score.
Thank you.
As you can see, instantly it comes back on here if I were to join, let's say if I wanted to look at this, or where do I want to start, a 10 or 9? I think 9 would be better, or 10. So I'm going to go up to number 10, I'll right click on 10. I've now started at position 10.
And for me, the light's gone off. It says unavailable, cannot join. So I'm going to go on alongside Dan at runner 9. Hello.
He's been TP'd here. And if I was to go back, if I was to reset myself quickly, and Regit was to stay there, as you can see over here,
let me go.
Number 9 is unavailable, and yeah, it's really cool.
Let me go. Okay, thank you. And
so the way this works is with these command blocks here, super long commands, really long commands, and they just do cool stuff. So yeah.
So what that command basically is, I'm going to try to explain, although I know barely anything about command blocks. What it does is it uses a format of writing stuff used in Minecraft called the JSON format, JSON, and that's how we've got colours on signs and made them clickable and stuff like that.
One command, that's it there. So there's it's constantly checking for players with the scores. Then it's changing the block data of a sign when they swap out. So that's that.
And as you probably guessed, clicking on runner 1 will give you a score of 1. The command block over here will say, "Oh, yeah, there's a player with score 1," and then it goes, "Well, I'll TP that player to slot 1."
And usually we're going to set up now. Runner 1 will be the kind of operator one.
Yes.
So runner 1 will be for the first person to join the game will be put as well. They wouldn't be put as runner 1, but the first person to join the game. So the owner would want to put runner 1 as their as the place. So if I just go and get,
that means they're at the back.
They'll be at the back, yes, but it's runner 1 and it's like just for the numbers. So
what a generous operator.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is sort that out now. So when this gets activated, as you can see, all we need to do is just take an iron block out of this and a repeater, like so, like that, and a command block, and then we're going to do a quite long wait, maybe 8 ticks, and because they'll be op, they won't have any problem in doing this, and there'll be a new chat. Oh, and you can see the current call in there. Sorry about that. And to do that, we're going to go to a new website. So if we go to the internets quickly, and I scale this up to the size we need it to be, just move this over. So you can now see my Chrome. If I go on to tell raw generator, so this is a JSON generator for Minecraft, and this is amazing. This website makes everything so much easier. So if we let this load up, so now we can go to tell raw, and this is what it will say in the chat. So we will now go like this, and it will say, "You are the game host," in capitals, obviously, and we can now change the options of this, like this, and we'll put in player slot 1 is the slot for the host. Okay, and that'll be in gold, and then whatever insertion is, I don't know what that is. So that's it there. And now we're going to add some text, and we're going to add a, let's say, see, click here when you want to start the game. And that is pretty much it. We could, I think you might be able to, let's see, I want to add a different line, so can I add line to Minecraft? It's an enter, isn't it? It's a whole different thing. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So I want to get rid of that actually. And we're going to take this, like this, like this, like this, and like that. And we're going to put at the front tell at a, and then score underscore player num underscore min equals 1 score underscore player num equals 1. There's my watch vibrating, and that should be it. It's going to tell you that. And then it's going to do the same. It's half a second later. It's going to come up and it's going to say, click here to start the game. Click here to start the game. I won't put a smiley there. And now this is where the quick click event comes in. We will go over here. To start the game, there'll be a few command blocks over here which will actually activate everything. And yeah, this guy will also have access. Wait, Regit, you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Regit?
Hello.
Regit?
Hello.
I can't hear you, Regit.
You can't hear me.
I can now. Oh.
Oh, good.
I think I had my volume turned down.
Oh, right, I see.
So these are the commands. These are the commands that are starting the game. So we're gonna just clear this up here and make a little gap out. Do we need that? Nope, we don't need that. So
I'm gonna delete my message.
we're gonna do a few things, and then yeah, we'll be back. Hopefully, or maybe in the next episode. We'll see.